Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to contact WeChat help to report a problem. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Google on your mobile device. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Type in WeChat support. Select WeChat Help Center. Here you can see three options. To report a problem, tap on Send Feedback. Here select your platform and reason. Once you're done, select your problem. If your problem is not on the list, tap on Others. Now, on the description box, clearly define the problem that you're facing. You can also upload a screenshot of your problem. After that, add your WeChat account and your email, and choose where you prefer to be contacted by from WeChat. You can be contacted either from your email or WeChat. Now, all you have to do is submit your report by accepting the privacy policy and tapping on Submit at the bottom of this page. And that's it. This is how you contact WeChat help to report a problem. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.